Hi, this is Dr. Patty Sadallah. Welcome to the online Spirit Life Workshop site. Maybe you're like me. When 12 years ago had the first assignment to write a book, I did not know what I did not know. And it was so much work and so much struggle to figure all that out by myself. And I really wished somebody would have come alongside me and helped me out. And honestly, that is the reason that we are doing this online Spirit Life Workshop site, because we just want to help you out. That's what the coaches are here for. We are a little ahead of you. We are learning and times are changing. We want to make sure that you know how to make God central. I don't believe the Lord wants us to be working alone anymore. This is time for the body of Christ to unify, and that's part of what we're doing here. Your membership at the online Spirit Life Workshops would offer you three major benefits. The first is live interactive sessions. That will be when one of our coach team leaders hosts a monthly Zoom Ask Me Anything topic-driven session. The second service are foundational lessons. These are short teachings that teach one small tip, one tool, or one biblical principle, and give you some practical life application exercises so that you can work on that one small thing. We will be growing an increasing library of those kinds of foundational lessons, so check them out. The third benefit opportunity is spirited forums. These are discussion threads that are topic driven. You can create the topic and ask people for help. The team members can create those topics even from the foundational lessons. Our team will be issuing community challenges related to some of the topics that we are teaching on this site. An example might be that we did a short teaching on how to teach someone how to journal. And then we challenge the community, teach someone how to journal, and then share how that worked out for you on the Spirited Forum. Ultimately, our heart for you to be able to live out your faith with full authority, in sync with God, knowing your Christ identity and knowing your assignment, stepping into your assignment, aligning with who God has created you to be, and doing what He has called you to do. And we are here to equip you for that purpose. We want to build a tribe of support around you. So what we are about is learning how to surrender everything to the Lord. And the big assignment that you have can either be a whole heck of a lot harder because you're doing it for God, or you can learn how to surrender it and do it with Him and just watch yourself soar. So that's our heart for this site. There's one more bonus that I'd want to share with you. Our team is a 5-fold ministry coaching opportunity for you. Each of us come to the table with an area we've got experience in or a ministry skill, and you can access each of us as coaches. This is a bonus discount because you're a member of this organization. Hire us to help you out. So there'll be information about each of us and our specialties. You would simply contact the coach of your choice and work with that coach exactly what kind of help you need, and they will offer it. The coaching itself is outside of the membership, but the discount is because of your membership. Membership is just $14.99 a month, and you will also have the ability to have discounts on our events. So check out the events tab as well and see what's going on there. The first 2 weeks of your membership are free, so you have an opportunity to get a taste of what's going on the site. We hope you plan to join our online Spirit Life Workshops tribe. See you there.